Everyone, welcome back to DIZHA House of Fashion. To all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing that red button. Thank you. Today's tutorial will be based on how to cut a cowl neck top using this chiffon fabric, and also I'm using this basic body pattern to cut it out. So now the first thing to do now is to fold this into two first, because we are going to cut out the back first before going to the front. I've folded this into two first. I'm using 2 yards of chiffon fabric to cut it out. I've already folded this into two to cut out the back first. So I'm using this body basic pattern to cut it out. So if you want to know how I cut the basic body pattern, so the link is going to be in the description of this particular tutorial you're watching. So now I'm going to place this here, this way, to cut out the back. I'm using this exact measurement. So then the next thing to do now, after placing it this way, I'm going to pin it down. So then I cannot cut it out. So after that, so now I'm done with the back. So I'm going to cut out the front. So before cutting it out, I'm going to cut out this area first. See the way I'm going to do it now? After then, I'm going to place it on the fabric this way. So then you open it this way. The more you open it, the curl the neck will be. You can see it like this or like this, but it's okay this way. The more you widen it, the curl the neck is going to be. So I'm going to pin this area down so as to not make it shift. The first thing to do now is to trace out the shape. is to trace out the shape. So after tracing out the shape this way, the next thing to do is to trace out this particular area. You can see it. So like this. Then you can now cut. But before cutting it out, you have to measure this area, this particular area, to know where to notch while sewing it. So to know where to notch when you are sewing it. So this is the shoulder length here is 3.9 inches. 3.9 inches. So by the moment we cut this area out, we are going to notch this 3.9 inches to know the shoulder length. So I'm going to cut. So then I can now remove the pattern. So now, don't forget, like I said earlier, I said we have 3.9 inches here for the shoulder. .9 inches here for the shoulder. So you have to notch it. So after that, the next thing you're going to do after notching this area, then you're going to make a straight line from there. So now I'm going to make a straight line from there. As you can see, then I will now cut it out. So you can see it has already curled. This is the shoulder and this is the neck. You can see, as you can see, it. This is the shoulder and this is the neck. You can see the core neck that we have been talking about. So this is the back. I'm going to join the back with the front now and show you how it will look like. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is core neck top. As you can see, this is the core part of it and the neck here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.